tornado on the ground, James. Have you been able to see that, witness it?
I can't see it. I'm on the east side of the storm. I've got rain shielding my view at the moment.
Okay, we have rapid rotation right now on Sky News 9 once again. Go to Sky News 9. Very strong rotation in Nation's side.
Tornado on the ground.
Tornado on the ground. Okay.
Yeah, on the south and west. There's lightning. Wow, we got lightning really close.
Yeah, guys. Guys, you're going to have to go ahead and bug out. We'll get a long-range shot on it.
Throw up here. Right. We're going to throw put the lights on over there, guys. We're going to throw to Kelly and Amanda. They have some important news.
Oh, big tornado.
Big tornado.
Multiple vortex.
Okay, this will be the Canton Lake area. Take immediate tornado precautions. There's the tornado coming down again. And once again, it's the Hueco, middle cyclone, and the tornado. How far is that from Nick? If you can hear me, put down Ginter there. Tell me, how far is that from Canton Lake? Exactly where it is.
How far is that from Canton Lake, guys?
Multiple vortex tornado on the ground. Again, it's tornado.
Weather Chief County's down at 558. We need a location from Canton Lake on the tornado.
It was on the southwest side.
Very different.
Oh, what are we seeing right now? We see a tornado right now.
That's on the southwest side of Canton Lake, yeah, because we're over Longdale, looking back towards the south and the west.
Nick, if you can hear us, talk to us.
Gary, I've got it on the southwest side of Canton Lake on Knoll.
I can see it. We have the meteorologists in the field out there.
There it is again. Tornado still on the ground.
Okay, once again, this continues. We'll be watching that circulation in the vicinity and over Canton Lake. That Longdale area, it keeps touching down. As you see, there it is again, I believe.
So we're trying to get out of here, but it's still on the ground. Got a large debris cloud.
Okay. Mason, I see you guys moving east. That's good. Keep going east. A couple more miles, you'll be in pretty good shape over that way. So you're around Canton Lake and Longdale area. Canton, I think you guys kind of Canton, basically, okay? I'm looking at more. If you run out of video, go to more, okay? And on that, we can see the circulation there going up toward the Fairview area, the northern section of Blaine County. And if it goes east, we get a tornado on the ground. And down the Canton Lake area, still on the ground.
Still see, Gary, still on the ground.
It's still on the ground. And what we'll do as soon as
the tornado there, in the light, there's a area. It's really hard to see. Okay.
Let's quickly go to more. Circulation in this area, Longdale, Canton Lake, onto the east, onto the northeast, towards Fairview and Orienta, Longdale area. That's where the storm is. Looks like it's slowed moving a little bit. We go back to Sky News 9 now. This is northwest of Oklahoma City, about 60 miles.
It's got 30 races on it. I mean, it's a monster storm. How far are we from this?